Yeah, man. What's up? How you doing, Cappy? Good to see you, man. I love that you come in to say hello. You know what I'm saying? That's good enough. When you can't hang out for the whole stream, come by and say hello, man. Yeah, yeah. We have an arena starting in 30 minutes. I am the first player in it. There's a pinned comment to join the arena. And we're doing this every Monday now. I'm playing 1 minute chess against y'all. 1 minute unrated. You can challenge me. I can't pin 2 comments. So I think, I don't know. I can't pin 2 comments. So I could say like, challenge Rosewood Telly 1-0 unrated to play me. There we go. Let's copy that. And let's just throw that one out there. And I'll just do that one every little bit so you guys know the deal. And then when the arena's done, I can pin this comment. Yeah, that's the move. That's a new, guys. I have to start playing 1 minute, guys. Oh, wait. Are my challenges? I might be... let me go to social. All settings. You go to all settings, you go to social. That's how you be unsocial, folks. Allow challenges. Okay, I do have challenges are available now. So let me go to play. Play online. I'm just going to play a 1 minute game while I'm waiting for someone to challenge me. It's going to be like playing games during... Okay, my God, I haven't warmed up at all, guys. This is going to be crazy. This is a rated game, too. My bullet rating's going down for sure. Make this night go away. Big El Centro, folks. The world's largest El Centro. I'm going to come here and hit that bishop because I hate it. Get it? Bring a rook. Feeling pretty... Do we just bring the king? Okay. I guess we then have to go here. He can't push. Right. Put a little bit of pressure. Oh my God, I didn't think it was going to be that fast. I got 1 point. Hey, Daniel Abbott, Ian Monta, what's up, guys? Welcome, 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 everybody. Oh, man. Dude, I didn't think that was going to be the third. It's because we started from here. We started from here. I had played rook, and he played knight. Watch. Yep. I was going to then do something else like, I don't know, bring a rook and maybe come this way. Anything. Just put a little pressure. Because I have this pawn, I could maybe... Oh, no, maybe... This could be an idea, because... Oh, he can push, though, so I would need to do this. So maybe... Maybe rook... c6? So maybe rook... I mean, let's go all the way back, right? If we're backing up, I might as well back up. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, that's a dumb move. He's going to play f4 and he can start attacking my pawns. Yeah. F4, rook DC8. Black is clearly better. King B1. Now I don't have this move. What do you play here? You more pressure. I'm just better. I'm just better because I have space. I think my rooks are better, but his knight can, it can be a good knight. It's a bullet game, guys. It's a bullet game. Ah! What's up, dude? Ravi, how you doing, man? Challenge me 1 minute, guys. Challenge me 1 minute unrated. I want to play you guys. And we have an arena coming up, guys. We have an arena. There's a pinned comment to join the arena. Join the Amigos Arena. We do 1 minute arena on Mondays. We do a and I play you guys 1 minute unrated, and then I play you guys 3 minute unrated on Thursdays. Did we start doing an arena on Thursdays? I don't remember. But Wednesday's our tournament, guys. That's the biggest stream of the week, folks. Definitely want to be on Wednesdays for the 10+5, guys. Nice, relaxing chess. Let's get back in a game, folks. What are we doing here? I got I got a notification. What does it mean? Oh, it's for my own arena. The arena starts in how many minutes? 24 minutes. Good. Let's go for a new 1 minute game. It's 1 minute Monday, folks. Blunder. Traps? No, it's not trapped. Get it out of your head. It's not trapped, guys. Oh my God, kick the knight. You can come here and get my bishop, maybe. Just take this. Uh-oh. So, me losing the pawn was no big... He resigned? I guess... I mean, he won a pawn. This is a second pawn. I get check. He has a better center. What do you think this is? It's probably +3 or something. +7. Almost plus... It is +7. Wow. Yeah, that's just too much. The knight can come... if this knight moves, I have knight e4, which I didn't even see. See the pin? See the pin on the queen? Wow. Okay, good. That was a good game. Someone sent me a chow. I got points for that. Did it not tell me how many points I got? God, it says it. +8. Wow, 8 rating points, guys. 8 chess.com rating points. Fulton, welcome back, brother. How you doing, man? Long time no see, dude. You got a 4... Is that a 4-year anniversary? Yeah. Fulton, you've been around for a long time, brother. Great profile pic. Looks like you have someone really important in your life. Good for you, man. Good for you, brother. Gaming bro. What's up, gaming bro? How you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. Someone challenged me some 1 minute, bro. Challenge me 1 minute chess. Want to play. I mean, I'm just going to go to the pool, but I would rather play against one of you guys. New 1 minute. Let's go. You can threaten mate. This is not good. I got a good centro, though. Okay, I guess we got to start defending. I could be in a lot of trouble. Okay, trade queens because I don't want to lose. He doesn't want to. Good, we're going to do this. Running, running, running! It's gonna repeat this time already. No, good. My queen could be trapped. Bring a rook. No, don't do it. You should break in El Centro. He won on time? I made the move. Kev Dog resubs, dude. Thank you for 6 months, man. Fulton says, I guess I should say, okay, I'm all right, man. It's been a tough week. How things on your end? I guess I should say last week was tough, but regardless, got you, brother. Well, hey, man, thank you for coming in and saying hello. And better weeks for you, dude. Better weeks for you. Today's Monday, right? Lock in, Charlie. Remember what I coached you. Jackal, 1000%. Dude, I'm trying to live up to your coaching, man. Thank you, Jackal. Kev Dog, thank you, dude. 6 months, man. I really appreciate it, Kev Dog. You've always been a great supporter of the stream. Kev Dog, challenge me 1 minute game, bro. The arena starts in 18 chess.com minutes. I believe the arena is unrated, because chess.com rating points are the least valuable form of digital currency. Sorry I never hang out, just know I'm still... Dude, Kev Dog, I love you, brother. I see you, man. I see you, and I appreciate you coming in. And I really appreciate the resub, dude. Very, very much, man. Kev hit that subscription with his Prime, supporting the stream. Guys, what do we do? What are we here for? We're here to play 1 minute chess. Let's go. D5. Okay, what do you do? What do you do? Play this. Do it again. Isn't that funny? It's called a reoccurring theme, guys. It came back at him. F6 is probably a really good move. I'm gonna play G3, I think. Whoa. Get rid of that knight. He should play rook takes, probably. Because the knight is a monster. Is the knight not a monster? It's a monster. He should play rook takes. 1000%. Yeah. Good dude. The guy played a good move, bro. I'm going to undermine it. Oh, man. I should have took. Because I'm undermining it, but it's not doing... Oh, the rook's coming, bro. Should we go for it? Knight check. Doesn't work. Got him on time. Wow. I moved way faster than him. Didn't even know. I never look at the clock. I never look at the clock. I'm supposed to look at the clock. You have to look at the clock when you play 1 minute. And I say that because I know it. Yet, I don't do it. Fulton said, I appreciate my man. Hoping things turn around soon. Ever play MTG? MTG. 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 What does it stand for? I already said hi to Gaming Bro. I said hi to Gaming Bro. Yeah. Wow. Oh, of course. No, I don't. I've never. That is something like, I think that would be kind of like golf for me. I would probably get way into it. I would probably read books. I would probably practice and get much better than I am now because I know nothing about it, right? So at the beginning of something, then you start learning strategies and you start playing. And I don't have time in my life. I don't have time in my life for golf or for Magic the Gathering. Yeah. I can play like some video games that I can turn on and turn off, but that's the kind of thing. I mean, there's so much involved in that game, right? That I just don't have time for something that big in my life. Hey, Macca, how you doing, man? Welcome back. When's the arena? It starts in, I'll tell you how many chess.com minutes. It starts in 14 chess.com minutes. Toasty Cheese It. Hi, by the way. Hey, Tunes. Welcome, Tunes. Welcome, man. How can I play you, sir? Tunes, you send me Rosewood Telly. I'm going to tell you right now. Bang. There we go. Say, I'm trying to get people in you. Oh, you can also play me by joining the arena, guys. We got 15 minutes for the arena. You got to join the arena. Hey, Pritchard, how you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. Are you pretty into Magic the Gathering, Fulton Matheson? I'm sure there's streamers that do it, right? Is that even something you could stream? And I'm sure there's Magic the Gathering online. I'm sure there's online, right? I mean, I know nothing about it. I'm saying. I know there's a guy, a professional poker player, that I think might have also played chess. You're 2 months new into chess. Well, 2 months is, I mean, you're welcome to play me, but 1 minute chess, that's all we're doing today. I can't play you a long game because I have to keep myself available for the theme of the stream, which is 1 minute chess. But I'll tell you this, is that iTunes? Okay, cool. Got you, Pritchard. Oh, good. I can see your face now, bro. Hey, I got a face on Toasty Cheese It, dude. All right, you look like a cool dude, man. You look like a cool dude. I wear reader glasses. I see you're wearing some glasses. Are those dogs in the car? It's kind of hard to... I see something back there. Multiple dogs. Is that what that is? Yeah. Well, if you've only been playing chess for 2 months, but send it. But what might be harder for you to even play me a 1 minute game is to challenge me a 1 minute game. Unrated. You gotta say Rosewood Telly. You gotta challenge. You gotta search for me, and then you gotta try and challenge me, and you gotta probably have to go to custom, or you might see a little slider that says rated to unrated, and you gotta make it unrated. Bolton says, that's fair. It's a very extensive and highly complicated game. Lots of fun, though. I have tens of thousands of cards. Ooh, wow, Fulton. That's awesome. Bill Stevens, what's up, dude? You have German short hair pointers. They're attached to the hip. Good dogs. Good dogs. The arena starts in 12 chess.com minutes, folks. Not to be confused with Facebook gaming minutes. Bill Stevens, how you doing? Ooh, I got my first challenge. Jackal sent it. Good luck, Jackal. Play well, my friend. Jackal, get to your board. Could have took with a bishop. You could have took with the bishop, brother. Kind of blew that. Wow. I'm blowing it. Jackal's got me. Jackal's got me, guys. Jackal's got me. What'd he do? I didn't see him move. Oh my God. Yeah, good game, dude. I stole it from you. I stole the draw from you. I almost won. Is this... Wait, okay, Bill Stevens says, it's been a while since your son came on the stream. How's he doing? Not sure why, but just thinking of him. He's doing great. I just talked to him the other day. It's a super important game for me. It's what the wife and I did for our first date. Since it was during COVID, we couldn't go out, so we just chilled at my place and played Magic. Very cool, Fulton. Adam says no, and then I sent a challenge. That was a funny game. It was a crazy game, dude. You played really good, man. El Salsama. What does it mean? El Salsama? What does it mean? How do we play? The new Mikhail Tell. You challenge me, Rosewood Telly, 1 minute, unrated on chess.com. There's one. I'm going to take that challenge. Give me 1 second, guys. It's whoever challenged me. Wait 1 second. I'm coming. Tunes, 1 minute. It's rated. I'm not going to play you rated, brother. Like I told you, Tunes. I'm sorry, but you got to learn. You got to learn how to do it, and you can do it. You just got to figure out how to challenge me unrated. When you did really good, I got the challenge, but you have to say, you have to click rated, you have to take it off. You might have to go to custom or something. Yeah, like this guy figured out how to do it. I will play you, Tunes. I want to play you. I think he might have had a piece there. Good game, dude. Good game. Was that a good game? It's okay, Tunes. It's okay, Tunes. Ooh, we got Anomaly rated 1900, folks. Oh, Matuka, no 10-minute games for you. Anomaly gets it first. Anomaly gets it first. He's 1900, guys. This guy is going to be fast. Happy. Oh! Oh, I drew my queen. Here. Here. I have bishop G8. G8. Got him on time, guys. Like, by far. Am I losing? I think this is losing. Because all I have is... But I have the bishop pair. And everything is relatively protected. Let's see what the computer says. It's losing. It's plus 2.3. He is up a queen. Yeah. Yeah, he's technically up like what, one point of material, but I have the bishop pair. I would think it might be closer than that. White's just better. White's just. Here's king h2. Let me see what it wants to do. Bishop d8 and like knight c5. It's just. Oh, he's probably. Yeah, this is gonna be. I'm gonna be. It's a queen, guys. There's a queen. Oh, the arena starts in 3 minutes. Tunes, 1 minute. Tunes, no, you didn't do it unrated. Makula, yours not unrated. Anomaly gets a rematch because he challenged me unrated. Get to your boards, guys. Join the arena. What am I missing? Guys, it's 1 minute chess. Can I do it like this? That check was a little bit much, folks. Don't we agree? Good game, dude. Good game, guys. Guys, I got lucky against a 1900. There's another 1900. Guys, I got to stop playing right now. Join the arena. Nolan and Anomaly. Guys, join the arena. It's a pinned comment. Steve Roberts, thank you for the 20 stars, dude. Fulton says, I'll play chess with you one of these times. I'm getting a little bit better. Dude, you know what? It's not about getting better. It's about enjoying a game among friends, right? If we played Magic the Gathering, I would play you on the first day, and you would just beat me. Man, that's okay. I would get better by playing a superior opponent. You know what I mean? Yeah. Hey, Desert, how you doing, man? I'm the only person in the arena, guys. You got to join the arena. Someone join it. Let the unrated gladiator games begin. Adam, dude, no one's in the arena, man. Tunes. Unrated, but I guess we just don't have enough people in the arena. Will the arena not start? It's canceled. Oh, okay. Well, the arena's over. So I'm gonna take down the pinned comment. Guys, I won the arena. You know how? Unpinned message. Good. Got that one unpinned. We didn't have enough players, guys. I won by default, which is actually really cool. I knew I was going to win the arena against all yous because you guys didn't show up. Unpin this message. Okay, here we go. Now I'm getting plenty of challenges from you guys, so that's great. We don't have to do an arena today. You can just play me. I'm going to pin these comments real quick so you guys know how to challenge me, and then we're going to and then I'm going to start I see some challenges right now. I'm just going to take all you guys. We're going to play, bro. We're going to play. There we go. And I'm going to pin this one too on Facebook for my Facebook friends and family. Pin comment. There we go. All right. Nolan. I don't think I played Nolan yet. Nolan, you're in, brother. Uh-oh. This guy. This guy with the maneuvers. That was a blunder. Dropped the whole rook. Got me. That's why it's 1900, guys. That's why it's 1900. When it comes time to move fast, he moves fast. Good game, Nolan. Thank you for the game, brother. Let me catch up with you guys real quick. Okay. I'm Anomaly if no one else challenges. Yeah, Javi for sure. I just try until everyone's got to play, I try and pick new names. You know what I'm saying? Ivy, no way. Ivy, thank you for the follow on Twitch, man. Twitch is growing like a weeds, guys. I freaking love my Twitch community. Whoa. Tunes, 1 minute unrated. Tunes, I just saw it, and then you're already playing a different game. You got to send it, and you got to wait 2 seconds. You got to wait 2 seconds, Tunes. I'm trying to get to Tunes. Tunes playing another game. I'll go ahead and take Anomaly now. We'll keep going. We'll keep moving forward, guys. Tunes finally learned how to challenge unrated. Come on. I didn't see it. That's bad. Wow. I have an umbrella at least. Whoa! This is bad. I thought he had rook over. I think he did. No! He had checkmate! Oh. That's a weird... I mean, it's not that weird, I guess. It's elementary, except I am like... Literally... Oh, no, I could come here. I'm like, how is this forced mate? I'm like, wow, I guess it's just a pattern I don't know. No, I had this move. I thought I was forced here for the mate. Good game, dude. Good game. Mystic Weirdness. Love your name. Love your rating. 10-minute unrated. Can't do it, brother. There's too many people. I got to play more people. Magic is like 70% luck, though. This is all tactics and game IQ. Ah, Magic is a lot of 70% luck. I didn't know that. But 30% skill is still a skill-based game, right? I mean, like, I guess like in poker, you could say there's definitely a certain amount of it is luck, but it is still a skill-based game. And I guess the amount of luck that is involved is based on... Okay, got you, Tunes. Got you, Tunes. It's based on the level of the players, right? Dude, Tunes, Tunes, how do you keep joining another game? You're challenging me and you're saying new game. No, challenge me and breathe. Challenge me and breathe, Tunes. Just breathe. All you gotta do is take one breath. And then I'll get to play you. Who in chat plays Magic the Gathering, man? I know some pretty cool people that play Magic the Gathering. What was that guy's name? The professional poker player that played Magic the Gathering. David something? Tunes. Hey! Guys, I finally get to play my new friend Tunes. Probably not the best move. Well. Guys, Tunes is rated 1,400 points lower than me. He started chess a couple months ago. Chess is fun. But let me just tell you. that it's pretty rough playing 1 minute chess. Like, it's fun that we're doing it. Threatening checkmate. Dude. There we go. Good game, man. Good game, Tunes. Tunes! You play more like a 300, I would say. Good game, dude. Good game. Thank you for the game. Willem Michael. This guy. I think I remember this guy. I think this guy, like, plays way better than me. If I remember correctly. I thought it was protected. I thought it was protected. We'll take that back. Just come back. No! Well, I might be okay. Hey, thanks for the follow. Okay, yeah, just take. Wow. I thought I dropped something or lost something or... Villa, I think if we look at the last game we played, the only game we've ever played together, I think you did way better. You might have beat me, right? Oh, I have a queen. Good game, dude. Good game. Do I remember right? Okay, we played 4 times. We played 4 times. I feel like one time we played that you completely outplayed me. Mystic Weirdness, 1 minute unrated. He gets it. Cairo Chess, you're next. Just go after it, folks. He can, guys, he can take the pressure. This guy can take all the pressure. He's leaving the pressure. I couldn't take the pressure, guys. First person to relieve the pressure loses. I guess takes and head to greener pastures. I probably should have played knight takes. Do it now. Well, I didn't want that to happen, but it did. Oh, wow. On my queen. Dude! That was a really fun game. Hey, I have friend requests, guys. I'm going to do a mass friend request acceptance anomaly. Izakazan. Sorry, I said your name wrong. Mukaka. Tunes. And Edible Pneumonia. We are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other and we help each other get better at chess. Okay? Thanks, man. It was fun. We have played indeed. Pine. Yeah. Good games. Yeah, I think one of our games, the last one's in my memory. I'm like, I remember this name. I remember them being rated 400, and I remember him completely outplaying me. You once had a chance to beat me. Okay, it was such a complicated position that I missed the royal fork. Okay, like you did, yeah. Then you did your magic collage. Yeah, good game, Pine. Good game. Fulton. Fulton, you're in. Is this you? Is this you? I think it might be, guys. This might be Fulton from Facebook. That's a guy named Fulton. It's not a name you see every day. Who did that? Mystic. Thank you for the follow on Twitch. Community grows, guys. It grows by the minute. I wanted the castle short so bad, but that's not happening. I should have just took the... Okay. Take here, I guess. He's looking for the tactics. He wants it so bad, but I don't think it's there. Attacking. Removing. Guys, he's rated like 1,300 points lower than me. He's actually playing a reasonable game of chess. Good game, dude. That was a really good game. Fulton, that was a really good game, dude. For a freaking... What's your rating? Yeah, 368 bullet. That was a good game. Hello, can I play? Theo, you can. I accepted your friend request. You gotta send it. You gotta send it. Send me another one. I saw it. I saw it. Let me grab my water, guys. Okay. Got it. You can play Kaio chess. I love the way you followed me on. Thank you, Kaio. Are you you're not Mystic Weirdness though? Are you Hybe? I didn't see the alert, but either way, thank you for the follow on Twitch. Dude, Twitch is growing like weeds, guys. The community is growing. You bombed that so hard. Fulton, dude, you're rated 300. You're at the beginning of your chess journey. You're not expected to play someone. Oh, Presh. No, I can't play 10 minute, my friend. It's 1 minute unrated. 1 minute unrated. Michael, I've been sitting here for 2 minutes with no challenges. Kaio is next. And I see Magne Rod. I remember him. Kyle. Oh, Kyle's 2100, guys. We got to beat this guy. That's a move. Did I drop my queen? I thought I was trading. I'm gonna resign. We're equal on time, but he has so much time and he's 2100 and he deserves the win because I am the one that played bad. Good game. I am not taking repeat challenges quite yet. There was someone else. Magne Rod hadn't played. Magne Rod. We're doing Bullet Gloop. Yeah, 1 minute unrated. Magne Rod is in. I haven't played him yet today, guys. He's rated 12-12. That means he's like a real chess player. He's actually studied. He's tried to get better at chess. You didn't see it, folks! Good game, dude. Good game, man. You played good. That was... Yeah. You know, one thing you guys can do if you're a little lower rated that I know works for me in Bullet, because Bullet, there's no rules. There's no rules, guys. Aussie rules. Wait, Fulton says, I've got to say, Charlie, I generally come here for a good chat when times are hard, and you're always up for it. I appreciate you and the community you've built and just the vibes in general. You're a good man. Fulton, thank you. You're a good man too, dude. You're a good man too, brother. Thank you for being part of the best community in the world, the Chillers. Prash no one. I'm sorry, but I will not play 1 minute plus one. I don't like it. And Edible Pneumonia, you're so close. You got me on 1 minute, but it has to be 1 minute unrated. So guys, send me 1 minute unrated. We could be playing right now. Who was the guy that wanted to play? I don't. Can we play Code Gaming? Yeah, code. Send it. I don't see it, brother. Oh, maybe, let me check friend request. Kaio Chess, we are now friends. Whoa. I didn't mean to look at your thing, brother. I meant to accept your friend request. Kaio Chess and Prashant #1. We are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other. We help each other get better at chess. That's the deal. Rhodes, how you doing, brother? I love my Rhodes. Taper Mike, how you doing? Welcome back, dude. Code Gaming, I see no challenges right now. Yeah. I would love to get a challenge. I want to play. Someone send it. I'm going to go to the pool. Do I have more friend requests? No new requests. And someone sent me a message. Let's play. Yeah, that's the only thing about making friends with everybody is then people just send you messages like, and they say hi, which is a nice thing. I mean, it's nice when people say hi, right? But do you know how many friends I have on chess.com? I have a lot. And you know what? I'm going to get a lot more. I'm going to get a lot more. Guys, Wednesdays, we have a chess tournament. 10-minute plus 5-second increment. We've been doing it I bet this is going to be number 60. Let's go to clubs. Wait, community. Let's go to clubs. Guys, you got to join Chess Chillers. Chess Chillers. This is it right here. Chess Chillers on chess.com. 262 events. we've started doing arenas, but we've only done like 3 arenas. So I think this next tournament is on Wednesday. I think it's going to be number 260. Weekly. Every week for 260 weeks, guys. We've been doing this with the best community in the world. People like Taper Mike. People like Rhodes. People like Fulton Matheson, who doesn't come in every day, but he came in heavy today, brother. He came in freaking talking with this 4-year follower badge. Thank you, brother. Oh, I got another friend request. Richard, we're friends now. Don't just send me little things and say hi, because it just fills up my thing. Yeah. Go Gaming, cool. Send it, brother. I see no challenges. I see no challenges. Code Gaming. Yeah. I see no challenges. Why? You guys challenge me 1 minute unrated. He did it! How come you don't have a rating, bro? You have no rating? Challenge failed. You're currently playing. Prashant number 1. I want to play you. I don't want to settle for this Prashant number 2 guy, okay? I want number 1. And now you're playing a game. When you send me a challenge, you can do whatever you want, guys. It's the internet. But send me a 1 minute challenge and wait a second. If you see I start another game and you want to play some bullet, then go ahead and start another game. But wait a second. Wait a second. You guys send me a challenge and then you just go to another game and we could be playing right now, Prashant. How long does it take before I can send it challenges again? Oh, why? Did you send too many and it won't let you? I don't know. I don't know. And I think that is a horrible, horrible way to do the thing, right? Because if you're annoying, let's say you're annoying me. Like, I start challenging Hikaru over and over and over because I want to play him and I won't leave him alone. He can just block me. Just block me. If I keep doing it over and over and over, right? All right, we got Prashant, guys. Play well, my friend. Here. He thought I was going to take the piece, guys. He thought I was going to take the piece. No, I want the queen. Guys, he's rated 700, man. He's doing a great job. Plays the check. But he doesn't have F4. He's just going to lose on the clock now. In 1 minute, you just got to play queen takes. Oh, yeah, I was going to say something. Something very interesting about bullet chess, guys. Bullet chess. Here's the deal about bullet chess. You can do stupid plans. And then very often your opponent won't see him coming because he's moving too fast. You understand what I'm saying? You can do anything. You can do anything. Like, for instance, earlier in a game, my opponent played, he played a fianchetto, right? And what I did was... A normal plan is to trade off this bishop, right? And if I start lining up my bishop, he might stop it. He might not allow it. But I just went like here and here real quick, and he's making such quick moves that I could just do this, and then he makes another quick move, and then I get to trade the bishop off. It's like you can just go for little stupid plans that normally they wouldn't allow. 1 minute unrated, guys. Edible pneumonia. Can he take it? Can he take the pressure? I can take space, guys. The spatula. Mucho Spatuloso coming at you live with the Mucho Spatuloso Manunu. Okay. Better get rid of one of these. What do you do? Queen? Okay, I'm gonna come here. In here. Why trade queens? Now am I in trouble? No, I don't think I am. That was dumb. Wow, okay. Got him on time. Wow. Edible, you played good, dude. He's $14.95. Chess.com rating points. How can I play with you? Tamara, challenge Rosewood Telly. Hi, Tamara. Welcome to the stream. Michael Washo, welcome, man. Welcome, everybody, guys. It should be pinned, but I'm going to type it again for you guys. There we go. Everybody. Dakota Comstock, how you doing, my brother? You generally only play when I'm putting my son to bed. Ah, right. That's kind of your time to play. Mystic, I think we played. I want to try and play a couple new faces before we start taking doubles, guys. I will take a double. I will play per shot. I will put no. Oh, hola. I love you, brother. From Spain. 3-2. No. 1 minute unrated today. I will tell you this though. Tomorrow, you can play me. No. Wednesday we have a tournament. 10 minutes with a 5-second increment. And that starts like, it would be starting right now. Stream starts at 3 Central Standard Time, that's Texas time, and the tournament starts at 4 every week, every Wednesday. And then Thursday, I play 3 minute. That might be more your speed. I understand it's 1 minute. Hola, you're so close, brother. 1 minute unrated. I know I'm a picky guy. Why I gotta be so grumpy? It's because I'm old, guys. When I was young, I wasn't grumpy. 1 minute unrated. Hola, I want to play you, brother. 1 minute unrated. Let me. I want to play the Ola guy. He's from Spain, guys. He's from Spain. 1 minute unrated. Ola, I never send people challenges. I sent you one because I want to play you, my friend. Did we play before, Ola? I remember your name. Forcing my bishop to a protected square. He blunder! Email slip, guys. Hola, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Hola. Hola. Everybody say hola to the 7th rank. The pig's on the 7th, folks. Okay, well, they're not there anymore, so... Here? Oh, my rook. You can't take it. What happened, Ola? I think he's just letting it run out because he's just in too much time trouble. I wanted my bishop here anyway. Okay. Yeah, I could have took with the pawn. Good game, dude. Ola, guys, Ola's rated 600 points lower than me. Bill Stevens says, oh man, Ola, he's titled. What a horrible mouse slip. We've all in there before. Ola, we love you. Ola's not titled. Is he? He would have a title by his name, though. He joined 15 days ago. So you've played chess before? Is this a new account, Ola? Yeah, no, it doesn't say that he's, yeah, he plays a little more 5-minute, guys. Ola plays a little more 5-minute. That's why he probably isn't doing as good as he was hoping. Okay. Ooh, play online. I gotta get my challenges going, guys. Peon wants 3-minute. Peon, we're not doing 3-minute. We're doing 1 minute today. 3-minute is on Thursday. Bill Stevens says, you remember everyone. Dude, I remember a lot of people here, man. I really do. What do you think about 10-minute games? Adam, I love them. I'm not going to play any today. I mean, what do I really think about them? I think people that are learning chess would do better to play much longer games than 10-minute games. That's how you get better. No grandmaster became a grandmaster by playing 10-minute games. They all learned by playing 4-hour games, 2 hours for each player. That's how everyone became a grandmaster. I'm not saying Hikaru's tactics weren't refined by playing, you know, a lot of bullet and 3-minute against Gadakamsky on Internet Chess Club when he was 12. It made him a better chess player. It's not what made him a grandmaster. Slow games, slow games, slow games. Yeah. When will you do replays against the same person? I'm not sure. I'm probably getting close to that point. Cody says I'm nowhere near that good. Oh, I couldn't play a minute game to save my life, but I could play with no time. You're nowhere near that good. Yeah, man. This is bullet chess. It's a whole different animal, man. You know, I don't play that much bullet chess right now. Let me look at my. Let me see my bullet. Will it say how many games I've played? Overview. There's no way. Curtis Cullen is a longtime supporter of the stream. Thank you for the like. Did you just re-up, or is that a you've been a supporter before, right, Curtis? Thank you, Curtis. Thank you very much for being a supporter, guys. That's like doing a sub on Twitch or a member on YouTube. If you want to support the stream, click the join button on YouTube and you can become a member. We do monthly workshops for members on YouTube, supporters on Facebook, and subscribers on Twitch. And it's a private chess stream only for those people that support the stream. And we look at one of your games. We slow it down. It's not 1 minute. We slow it down and we look at some of your games, or one of your games, and we all just learn. We learn chess. It's freaking awesome. It's helped so many people. I am not a grandmaster, but you know what? I'm good enough to show you what you're doing wrong, especially in the opening, and then we can try and come up with some middle game ideas. Swedish Viking 1 minute unrated. He gets it, folks. He challenged me the right time control unrated. Challenge failed. Swedish Viking is currently playing. Oh man, I want to go back to my bullet stats then. 1667, and I think is that my peak? Highest rating 1670. So I'm almost at my peak right now, guys. I'm in the 98.1% percentile. That's not exactly freaking anything to brag about. I mean, it's better than most people, but most people can't play 1 minute. Advanced stats. Openings. Average number of book moves, 2.3. Pierce, 2.7. Average number of opening mistakes, 0.9. They make 0.7. Opening accuracy, 84%, 85%. These stats basically say in the opening, I do bad. Probably because of my Latvian Gambit. Performance by opening. Alyekin's defense. I win 60%. Bishop's opening, 75%. Scandinavian's 50%. Why won't it say the Latvian Gambit? Because I play the Latvian Gambit almost exclusively. Oh, hey, Hersey. Sorry, Hersey, but 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm going to come back to play now and stop looking at my stats, guys. Stop looking at my stats. Play online, Charlie. There we go. Okay, close that window and then okay, guys. I'm locked in now. I wasn't locked in. I was reading some stats. Noted. Adam, got you, man. Tamara Batista, how you doing, Tamara? Welcome back. Welcome. I feel like I'm not sure if I have seen your name, Tamara. You could benefit from a workshop. Fulton, man. Hit that subscribe button or hit the supporter button. Or you know what you could do, Fulton? If you have Amazon Prime, you just go to your Amazon Gaming. It's part of Amazon Prime, and link it to your Twitch account, and then you can do a free sub on Twitch once a month. And you just go and you sub for free. It doesn't cost you a penny. It's a $5 value you get for free by having Amazon Prime, if you have it. It's real easy to do it. Many millions of people connect their Amazon Prime to their Twitch just for that one reason, so you get a free sub every month. And then if you sub on Twitch, you will hear me usually on through the week. I'll tell you the workshop is coming up on a Saturday, and then you'll just see me go live. And anyone who doesn't sub doesn't. Yeah. Coda says, how many gambits or strategies are there in chess? I've only ever played days and days of chess while being locked up, unfortunately. LOL. Yeah. It's almost limitless. It's almost limitless. You know that there's some. Hey, Noah, could we play? Yeah, Noah, send it. I'm waiting for someone that I haven't played yet to send me a challenge. I'm fixing to just start clicking every challenge. Cody, you can Google this, but there's supposed to be more possible positions in the first 10 moves of chess than there are. Is it atoms? Atoms in the visible universe. Wrap your head around that. Don't believe me, because that's an outrageous claim, right? Like, you would just lose money. You'd be like, that is clearly not true. It's true. Google it. So, but here's the reason why. The 50 move draw rule, right? Pion is playing 1 minute. Let's go. Because you can make dumb moves. You can make dumb moves. He saw it, folks. We got a gamer. We got a gamer. He saw it. It's a weird move, but it's probably not bad. Sorry, brother. It wasn't going to be mate. It wasn't going to be mate, brother. Oh. Good game. I think it's mating, right? I think. Oh no no no. Yeah, because you're. I'm threatening. Check. And it's not. Maybe it's not mating. Okay, guys. I need 1 second. Wait. Let me catch up. Too many of me in the universe. Sorry, I had to. That's okay. No, I can believe it. Yeah. No, it's because here's the thing. There's a 50 move rule. There's a 50 move rule where if there's no captures and no pawn moves, then someone can claim a draw, right? So imagine this. Right? For 50 moves. That's one variation. But imagine this. For 50 moves. That's a different variation. Then do the whole thing. Then do the whole thing with You see what I'm saying? You get it? They're dumb moves. Just because they're possible positions doesn't mean that anyone would ever play them. 1 minute. Alban, I haven't played you yet, but you didn't send me unrated. Alban, make it unrated. Ola, make it unrated. Edible made it unrated. I'm taking edible. I'm starting to take doubles, folks. I am going to be looking for the guy that I think Albin was it? Is he going to play a counter gambit? I'm like, why is he doing this? Why is he doing this? He's stacking them for me, folks. What'd I drop? Nothing. Edible. Good game. Good game, brother. Dave Joyce, how you doing today, man? And thank you so much for the 100 stars. My God, what's wrong with me? I didn't even call that out. Did that make an alert? Was I playing? I had to be playing. Dave Joyce, thank you for the 100 stars. Woo! How you doing, man? You got fried. Michael, was that you? Was that you, brother? Good game. Could we do... No, we can't do 3+2. Today is for 1 minute and 1 minute only. Hola. Hola. You keep challenging me 1 minute. It has to be 1 minute unrated. You did it the first time. There we go. Courtney Reed with the 100 stars. Courtney, thank you so much for the 100 stars. How you doing, Courtney? Good to see you made it home. We don't see every day right here at Charly Sardo Gaming, folks. 8 stars party. Do they still show pretty colors? Remember they used to have pretty colors when you got the stars party done? I don't know why they stopped doing that. The pretty colors was good. I like pretty colors. Noah. Sage with 100 stars toward the stars party. You love to see it, folks. Thank you. Just dropped in to say hello, and I love you. Courtney, I love you too. Thank you so much. Hola, 1 minute unrated gets it. Ola's back in, folks. Ola. He's making a maneuver. This must be the move. Wow. Attack king. Okay. Look king. Okay. Take king. Take. That's literally developed his knight. Why would anyone develop their opponent's knight like that? Ah! This is bad. Didn't see it. Hola! You had me. I think you were winning. Courtney with the 200 stars. You guys are 66% of the stars party. Dave Joyce says, I'm doing great. Charlie had a pretty quiet day, which is always nice. Hope you're well and had a great weekend. I did, man. Me and Courtney had a blast. There were more stars given. Courtney gave another 133. Sage Erdman, thank you so much for the 100 towards stars party. Dave Joyce and Courtney Reed kicking that off. We are at... And there come... Oh, Courtney gives another 200 and 200. Courtney, did you finish it? Stars party achieved! Now, tell me, did you guys see pretty colors or no? Because I can't see them from here. Thank you guys so much for the stars. 1 minute unrated from Edible Pneumonia. Thank you guys for completing the stars party. I love you guys so much. Took a minute.
Pretty colors.
Pretty colors! Hey! Checkmate. He's got so much time, guys, and he won't win. He's not winning. He's supposed to be winning. Here. He had he had that move. He had that move. Winning my queen, I'll have you know. Oh, that was Ola. That's edible. Edible. Good game, edible. Guys, dude, I'm in freaking... Courtney, thank you. I love you. I will have it. Dave Joy said, pretty colors. Hey! You could totally see pretty colors. Good. You guys saw the pretty colors. Good. That's good to know. You've been watching for a few weeks now. It's helped. I'm almost breaking into 1,000. Thanks for your content. It helps. Fluffy, you're welcome. Thank you so much. Today, we don't learn as much today. Today is for playing 1 minute chess with reckless abandonment. Right? We just do it for fun. Abandon, reckless abandon, not exactly abandonment. Oh, I got a friend request, guys. Who is it? No friend request. Womp womp. Derpy Moose is here. Derpy, why aren't you sending it, bro? Derpy plays. Guys, grabbing my other thing. 1 second. Okay, I am back. We can't do 3+2. On Thursdays, we play 3 minute. And then on Wednesdays, we have a 10+5 tournament. A 10 minute with 5 second increment. Yeah. Dude, that Stars Party, we haven't had and completed a Stars Party in forever. And I want to thank Dave Joyce, Courtney Reed for kicking that off. Sage came right in with the 100 to help. And then Courtney with the 133, and then 200 and 200, and another 200 shutting it down. Oh my God, I didn't even say thanks for the last 200. I just saw the pretty colors, but another 200. Courtney, thank you. I love you. I will. I'll talk to you later. That's been my play style. If I remember, Magnus' coach once told him, try different openings, so I try always to do things that usually aren't the best. Yeah, well, you know what? I played Latvian Gambit. As black, right? E4, E5, Knight F3 is the most common move, and so I get to play it a lot. And Lucky, we're playing Lucky. Lucky, he knows how to challenge me unrated too, which is good. Spatula, guys, just take the space. Open them up, folks. Let's open them up. That was a bad move. Oh, the check saved me. Wow. I think this was a good defensive move. I hope it was. I see it, but I have to get out of this. I could have played this first, I guess. That's a pretty good freaking move, man. Thank God. Got him on time. Wow, Lucky. Good game, Lucky. Good game. Just got Crimson Desert last night. Scorn. Are you loving it yet? Have you played it yet? Have you played it yet? Dude, Crimson Desert's a beautiful game, man. I invested a full AAA cost price in that game, and I got how many hours did I play that thing for? But then I just end up getting out of it, you know? It's hard to go back. Yeah, that was a great game. That was a great game. That was a lot of fun. Oh, man. Well, if you haven't played me, send it. You're liking it so far? Cool. Cool. And you know what? I bet there's been updates since I played. You know what I'm saying? Like, I probably should update my game. Although, I got to get back on it. But you know what? Here's the thing with me is, I don't like to game unless I'm streaming. Chess, I'll play chess off stream. Because I already stream a few hours of chess, most days, right? Monday through Thursday. But if I'm going to game, I might as well turn a stream on because I'm a streamer, right? Alban, 1 minute unrated. I think he didn't get a game. But I don't enjoy streaming Crimson Desert. That's the problem. We got him, folks. Probably not an altogether bad move. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy went on the 7th rank. This little piggy had roast beef. This little piggy brought the knight. Good game, dude. The reason they call them pigs on the 7th, when you get 2 rooks on the 7th rank like this, is because they just have their way and eat everything. see, it's brutal. It's brutal. It very often is a game-winning advantage. I can't remember, did you ever play Apex? I never played Apex. That game is hard to stream and play because of the puzzles. Yeah, and it might even be okay to stream. It's just that I wasn't having fun streaming it. You know what I'm saying? Arc Raiders, same thing. Baldur's Gate 3, loved it, played it, streamed it, and then got to the point where I'm like, dude, Arc Raider, no, not Arc Raiders. Baldur's Gate 3 is such an amazing game, and it's turn-based. Like this team jumps out, and my team, and I'm like, I get to decide, okay, I'm going to attack this one with the arrow blast, and so I choose it, and then I do it. There's no rush. There's no timer. So you would think it'd be perfect for streaming, because you could just constantly look and talk with chat, and then make your decision and talk with chat, right? I didn't like streaming Baldur's Gate 3, so I gave up on it. I like doing Souls games. I love playing Elden Ring. It's even easier for me. I like streaming even Call of Duty more than I like streaming something like Crimson Desert. World of Warcraft, I like streaming. It's weird. It's like, what's freaking difference between World of Warcraft and Crimson Desert? Crimson Desert's a new game that is freaking beautiful and freaking awesome. I love Crimson Desert, but not so much that I'm playing it. You know? Yeah, that's cool. Scorn, I think tonight we're gonna do a little impromptu. a little impromptu. Someone near and dear to the stream, a little guy named Kevin Cook, maybe you're familiar with. He brought up another rock sling run, and a rock sling run is real easy to put together. You just got to have a magic build, and we did a rock sling run before. Rock sling is the only offensive spell is a rock sling. It's crazy. And it took us, I think, about 4.5 hours to finish the game. So that tells me we can totally beat that. And so maybe we'll do that tonight, because it's something people could put together. I'll say, okay, I'll take a half an hour. If we need to trade a couple things, you got time to run and grab a meteorite staff. This time, I think last time we went rock sling meteorite staff only. Yeah, we did. And I think we have to do it again, because if we're going to try and beat the time from last time, we have to do the same build. So, Astrologer's Clothes, Meteorite Staff, Rock Sling only. Does Terra Magica help Rock Sling, do you know? Guys, we're talking about Elden Ring. I play games at night. We used to game here on Facebook too. Well, I'm live on Facebook for my Facebook peeps. But if you're watching on Facebook and you miss the After Darks, Toasty Cheese, it gets it. Haven't played them yet today. The After Darks have moved to YouTube and Twitch. A game in the evenings. We start at 8 p.m., guys. I love the idea of doubling up. It's an idea. It's a plan that you can do, and you can just move fast and do it. You know what I mean? So that was probably a pretty good idea. He wants to push and attack stuff. Yeah, it's just a little bit too much. It's a 1-minute game. It's so hard, Toasty. Guys, Toasty's rated 300. Yeah, that's probably a really good move. But now I'm going to unpin. I'm going to unpin so my opponent doesn't win. Good game, man. If you played over, I was going to do this, but then you would have had C4. But I was going to do it anyway and probably just lose the night because I'm dumb. Because it's a 1-minute game. Yeah. Good game, Toasty. Thank you, brother. Thank you. No, you know what's funny, Toasty Cheese It, about the game is hard to stream because of the puzzles? Crimson Desert. Dr. Disrespect just leaned into it. And, like, he called himself the Puzzle Master. He'd make, like, his thumbnail would be the Puzzle Master. And so, that way, he leaned into it. You know what I'm saying? And that's a great thing to do. Prince of Death staff, Loose S staff, and Renala staff outclass it at max level. I know. That's the challenge. That's the challenge. That's why we do it. Yeah. We don't want max. We don't want max. We want it to get harder and harder and harder and harder. Kush says, I've been watching and playing more every day, not ready for the 1-minute games. Catch you next stream on a blitz match or something. Hey, Kush. Tomorrow, not tomorrow. Wednesday is our tournament day. We play. It's a 10-minute with a 5-second increment. Every move you make, you get 5 seconds. So that just makes a 10-minute game even a little bit longer. You know what I mean? It's better for the lower-rated players. This is fun to play you guys 1 minute, and I love playing you guys 1 minute. I really do. If you're rated 300 or 3,000, it doesn't matter. Because we're having fun. We're playing chess. But the 10-minute with the 5-second increment is a little bit better for the lower rated players, to where they can, try and make something happen. Edible pneumonia. Aren't you the one that just beat me a few minutes ago, brother? Coming at you, brother, like a spider monkey. Whoa. There's no way I'm getting follows on Twitch, guys. Go. I think he had bishop takes. Didn't see it, and I'm getting mated. Wow! And he's got too much time. Edible. Dude, you beat me again. Good game, dude. I don't think I can stop it, guys. I have no checks. Can I... I mean, queen takes is a move. Yeah, I resign. I resign, brother. Good game, dude. God, I was so close. I was doing fine. You know what the plan I finally saw, which I should have seen back here, is just like light squares. Light squares. I got light squares for my knight. I got light squares for my queen. Just full spider monkey regalia. Right? Push. Yeah. And I saw the plan too late. And then I definitely blundered too. Over here, I think you had here. Here, I think you had bishop takes. And I think that's probably was the best move. But what ended up happening? Chess is cool. 1 minute unrated. Chess is cool. I'm playing you, my brother, because we haven't played yet. He didn't see it. He didn't see it, folks. Could be a problem. Got me on time. Lucky you played good and you got me on time. Is this a draw maybe? I am up a pawn and my king's coming in, so I think I might be winning, but he's up 8 seconds, guys. You know what that means? If he would have taken 8 seconds more, he could have lost on time and had a better position too. So it's like, yeah. Love seeing Twitch gaining momentum. Dude, it's amazing. Marsh TV followed. Marsh, thank you for the follow, dude. I really appreciate it, man. Yeah, it's great to see Twitch grow. Hey, what's the maximum number of replays I can get against you? I don't have a number, Michael. I'm just chilling, brother. I'm just hanging right now. Yeah. I don't know what to say. I don't know, because I don't know the answer to that. I don't know the answer to it, my friend. Which one were you? How many we played? Are you edible? Good game. Good game, dude. Yeah, I think you might. You cracked the code of today of people that are having trouble beating me. You got to a point where you could beat me, and that was good. Very good, very good, very good. Your buns, undecided. What does it mean, my buns? Is it rated tournament tomorrow? I keep saying tomorrow. I always do that on Mondays, and it's wrong. I'm sorry. The tournament is on Wednesday. We do a weekly tournament every Wednesday. I'm sorry, I misspoke. I guarantee I said tomorrow. It's not tomorrow. The tournament is on Wednesday, and it is unrated as well. Yeah, it's unrated because the community is growing so big and so fast. There's so many people coming into the tournament now, and every once in a while you get some person that thinks it's funny to be a dirty little cheater. And we have good players that come to the tournament, man. Sometimes Disguised Teriyaki, 2,300. Bozo Chess has been playing pretty much every week now. He's 2,300. And I don't want, little 200 rated people coming in, playing a 2,300 and stealing his rating points by cheating. You know what I'm saying? But it's a blast being unrated. It's still fun. It's fun. Yeah. So yeah. Dude, the Twitch community is growing like weeds. YouTube, guys, we're gonna hit 3K. We're gonna hit 3K on YouTube, and I can't stop it. It's just happening. It's just happening before my eyes. Facebook's been doing great too lately. Facebook, man, for a while there, they weren't showing anything. I think since they ended the Facebook gaming program, and because I was a Facebook gaming partner, it was very difficult to get that. By the way, very difficult. And they took my partner badge away. Womp womp. But guess what? I've been feeling Facebook's doing better since they dropped all that. So that's good. It's a good thing. That chess in Norway has been interesting, huh? Wesley So won Magnus again, and now he's in the lead. Really? Did he win today? Did Wesley beat Magnus? Wesley survives against Gukesh in Classical. Okay. Wesley leads Norway chess after round 7 with Faruja 2.5 points behind. There's a weird scoring system there. You get like 3 points for a win and 0 for a loss or something. Isn't that right? And because of that, that's how Faruja is 2.5 points behind Wesley. I believe. I think it's a weird thing. Yeah, Wesley's playing great. I met Wesley. He's a really nice guy. I met him in St. Louis. Wesley So leads Norway chess 2026 after round 7 with GM Alireza Faruja 2.5 points behind. World champion Gukesh Domaraju achieved a winning position against So, but couldn't see it through in the classical game despite winning the Armageddon game. Gukesh is in last place. Pragnananda Rashambobo inflicted a second consecutive classical loss for Faruja, but hasn't changed the ladder standing. Finally, Jim Visenkheimer and Magnus Carlsen featured an interesting King's Indian battle, but ended in a draw, and the world #1 went on to win in Armageddon. Okay, so they do little matches, I'm guessing, and then they do Armageddon. That's cool. I saw Divya won today. She played Humpy. And I didn't get to meet Divya, but I saw Divya at Checkmate USA versus India in Arlington. She was up on stage with Prag and Gukesh and Sagar, man. Indian team, man. The first and last time I played in the tournament, I got obliterated. Tino, you need to play more often, brother. It's not about... If you aren't way into chess and working really, really hard at improving at chess, then it's like you can, that's okay. Then just play because you like to play and enjoy the game. But chess is it's pretty simple, man. When someone's rated 1,000 points higher than you, you're just supposed to lose, and that's okay. It's a beautiful thing to play someone higher rated than you. It's a good thing. It's how we get better. You like Wesley, seems super down to earth. Wesley's so great, dude. I was standing in line for something. I think it might have been for food. And Wesley was behind me. And I said, hey, Wesley, nice to meet you, man. And, you know, love watching you play and everything. And you know, Wesley's from the Philippines. And I told him that I said, I actually played Torre in a simul. He said, oh, really? He said, here, meet my mother. She said, he played Torre in a simul. And she said, oh, yeah, because I guess him and his his mother is friends with Torre. And I think Torre lived with them for a while. You say, who is Torre? Eugene Torre is the world's first Asian grandmaster. Asia covers a lot of ground, right? And Eugene Torre was the first Asian grandmaster. He, I believe, was friends with Bobby Fischer, even at the point when Bobby Fischer hated everybody, wouldn't talk to anybody. I think he was still friends with Torre. And Torre also beat Karpov at a time where no one was beating Karpov. When Karpov was world champion, I think. And Torre beat him once or twice when he was world champion, and like no one else was beating him. Yeah, he had his number somehow or something. Eugene Torre. So that was kind of fun that Wesley introduced me to his mother, just so we could talk about Eugene Torre a little bit, which is cool. I played him in a simultaneous exhibition. I got crushed. Have you ever played Skyrim? Fax Maschio. Yes, I played Skyrim. I rode in the cart. I almost got executed at the beginning of the game, and that dragon came. There was chaos. I ended up in a building or something. I remember the beginning. I went down a hill, and I went to like a town and did some stuff. I think I did two or three streams of Skyrim. Daniel Abbott says that's freaking awesome. I think I streamed Skyrim 2 or 3 times. And now I'm talking, this was like 3 years ago. It was when Skyrim already was old. I have been able to get into Dark Souls games that are, 10 or 15 years old or whatever, like Dark Souls 1, Dark Souls 2, Dark Souls 3. I've been able to get involved with those, even though they're old and clunky, because it's hard. Old games are kind of hard to get into when you can play a new game. Like I could play Crimson Desert. The graphics are better. The world is bigger. Not to say Skyrim is not one of the greatest games ever, but to really feel that way, you kind of had to be there at the time. You know what I'm saying? Like old school RuneScape is the same way, I think. I can't get into it. Toasted Jesus said, that's cool, man. Yeah, Wesley's freaking great, dude. First, yeah, got that. So, yeah, so I have some time on Skyrim. What is Skyrim? What platform? Is that on Steam? Is Skyrim on Steam? Library, SSS for Skyrim. Oh, no, but it's called something else, right? The Elder Scrolls. Install. Time played. I only have 19 hours in Skyrim. That's more than I thought. That's more than I thought I did. Yeah, I have 19 hours in Skyrim. Let me see what the... How many do I have in Liza P? I need to finish that. Only 20 hours in Liza P. Last time I played Liza P was on my birthday, 2023. I need to go finish that game. And I bought Red Dead Redemption 2. I know it's an older game, but people say I have to try it, and it was on sale. So I got Red Dead Redemption 2, and I need to check it out. Yeah, Crimson Desert. We're talking about Crimson Desert. How many hours do I have in Crimson Desert? 43 hours in Crimson Desert. Yeah, it's not much. It's not much, but I like the game. Baldur's Gate. How many do I have in that? Only 18 hours in Baldur's Gate. Arc Raiders like only 10 hours, guys. It's all I could do. It's all I could do, man. Now, Elden Ring is the one, guys. That's the flex. 3,126 hours in Elden Ring. That's crazy, bro. That's just crazy talk. Helldivers. I played Helldivers 2 for a while with the guys. Only 9 hours of that. It's really hard for me to get excited about a new game. You know what I'm saying? But guys, I have to figure out what I'm going to make for dinner. And I have a gaming stream coming up at 8 p.m. I want to thank you guys so much for being here. Hit the like button. Hit the follow button. Hit the sub button on your way out, guys. I freaking love you guys. I'll be back at 8 p.m. for Elden Ring on YouTube and Twitch. Twitch, I am going to do a raid, and I am going to go with you on the raid because we are getting an achievement. If you just hang out for 2 seconds, we're gonna find someone fun. Find someone. Here we go. Summer chess quiz. She's playing on Lena Sless. Chess in English. She looks like a nice person. She's at the top of the list, folks. So we're going. This is the raid. I'm going with you guys too, okay? So I'm not just sending you. All right? Thank you guys for going on the raid with me on Twitch, Facebook, YouTube, everybody. I freaking love you guys. Catch you guys later. And see you at 8 p.m. for the rating. For the gaming stream.